Hello friends, this LED strip is from an old tube light I had repaired earlier. Now I have decided to turn it into a bright, diffused and angle adjustable DIY studio light for my personal use. I am planning to run it on 12 volt DC power source, so I am modifying the LED strip accordingly. The strip has 96 LEDs in total. I have cut it into 8 equal sections, each with 12 LEDs. Now I am subdividing each piece into 3 separate sections, each with 4 LEDs in series, and then connecting all 3 sections in parallel. Since each LED needs 3 volts, 4 in series means 4 times 3 is equal to 12 volts. To break the series connection after every 4 LEDs, I am using the tip of a scissor, then checking with my cheap multimeter in continuity mode to ensure it is done correctly. Now it's time to make the parallel connections for all 3 sections. Connect all positives and all negatives to the same copper traces running along each side of the strip. One helpful tip: don't use flux, this way you won't need extra wires for bridging the connections. Guys, if you are still having trouble understanding this concept, you will find many detailed videos on YouTube about this type of strip modification. I know, the solder joints look messy, but trust me, it is much better than doing the same with wires, and it will work just fine. Here are all the pieces joined together in this shape using B7000 adhesive and 3 aluminum pieces. The strips are now connected in parallel, and this time I have used copper wire. Let's solder 2 wires to the LED board, red for positive and black for negative. Since the strips are connected in parallel, you can solder the wires to any positive and negative point. It's time to test the board using my DIY variable DC power supply, which I have already set to 12 volts. You can use any 12 volt DC power source, just make sure it can supply enough current. I didn't lock my phone's exposure while recording, but in reality it is very bright. Now the fun begins. It's time to build the actual light using things most people would throw away without a second thought. But not me. I love turning trash into something beautiful and useful. From a single-use plastic container to the shiny inner side of a packet of chips, everything has a purpose. Watch each step carefully and you will be able to recreate this light or even make a better one. I am using these pieces of plastic as reflective surfaces since they are quite shiny. I am not providing exact measurements as you might not find the same materials I have used. Just take inspiration from my build and improvise with your own creativity. This aluminum strip is something I got from a relative. You can use any material you have, just use your imagination. Whenever I find screws, I save them. They always come in handy later. Now let's fix the LED board inside the housing using glue. I have tied a knot in the wire on the inside to prevent damage to the board in case of an accidental pull. This is a piece of diffusion sheet I salvaged from a broken LED monitor. It will act as a diffusion layer in front of the LED panel, creating a softer and more even light. It's done, guys. Now you will see how bright it actually is. I have made this cute little stand for it using random materials lying around the house. Just insert the aluminum handle into the slots, it will stay firmly in place. Removing it is just as easy, simply pull it out. Here is a little surprise for you guys. I actually made another one earlier and it's been lighting this video the whole time. Its stand is from a broken fan. Looks cute, right? If you are still watching, that means you have probably enjoyed my work. I don't have a fancy setup, camera or budget, just passion keeping this journey alive. Your likes and comments truly inspire me to keep going. Give this video a like if possible and drop your thought in the comments. Thanks for watching my friends, and I will see you all in the next video.